Hello everyone, good morning. Dreaming to get the tag of IIM Ahmedabad, the king of IIM? Now there is one more way to get that tag. I've already created a video about IIM Ahmedabad Online MBA, which is popularly known as BPGP program, and in this video we are going to explore one more option since now IIM Ahmedabad has started its campus in Dubai as well. It's a newly started campus and currently it has just one running program, that is 1 year executive MBA, which is fully residential. Yes, so you will have to be there in the campus for complete 1 year. So first of all, it's not in tie with any Dubai universities or any institutes there. It's a standalone campus of IIM Ahmedabad only. Currently the website says that they are planning to run just one program, which is Executive MBA. Since it's called as Executive MBA, so yes, you are right in your mind that it do need work experience. Most of the things in eligibility is a complete copy of what they need in the Indian campus. But one thing I found very different. We'll cover that later in the video. So let's understand the eligibility first. It requires 4 years work experience after graduation. Yes, graduation ke saath ka they won't accept. Your minimum age should be 25 years. You should be graduate at least with no percentage barrier here. Yes, you do need entrance exam. Like they asked in their Indian campus, they need it here as well. So you can submit GMAT, GRE, or even they accept the GMAT Focus Edition. So if you don't like entrance exam or you do not have 4 years of work experience, our WhatsApp link is always in the description. Do let us know your profile and we'll be happy to guide you. Let's come back to the topic. After the applications are submitted, the documents are uploaded, you will have to go for a personal round of interview. You will find brochure link of this program as well as website link in the description. Either on the website or on their brochure, they have not released the sample degree yet. So we cannot show you in this video. Plus this will be the first batch in this campus, so there will be no batch information also which can be shared. About the placement statistics, अभी कोई pass out ही नहीं हुआ तो placement नहीं हुआ है. But if you want to know how is the placement statistics of the exact same program in the Indian campus, you can watch this video here. We are going to put the link in the description as well, which can tell you what are the eligibilities, what is the fee structure and how is the placement structure in the Indian campus. Because this program will be exact replica of what they are running currently in India. And now let's understand that one thing which I found completely off from the Indian campus, the fee structure. In India, the fee structure is 34 lakh rupees, which also includes 1 year of accommodation in the campus itself. But when we talk about the fee structure in Dubai campus, it is 80,000 US dollar. If I convert it today, it is costing 70 lakh 14,000 rupees, and that does not include the accommodation. So that's almost double with no accommodation. Hope this video must have given you the clarity about the first ever batch which IIM Ahmedabad is going to start in its Dubai campus. Do check out their Indian campus program video as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.